Good morning, guys. It's Melanie, and today I have an eating video, and it's kind of like a challenge. I don't really know, but today I'm only gonna be eating fruit. So I've been eating kind of really bad lately, and I know fruit's good for you. There's a lot of like nutrients in it and stuff, but it's not like the best thing out there. But then that's the same with juice cleanses and stuff, and your girl's not trying to spend like 60 bucks on a juice cleanse. So I was like, let's just eat fruit for a day. And I figured, you know, that's kind of interesting, so why not kind of vlog, film it. Plus, people like seeing me cut fruit because it's ASMR or something. Y'all already know, like, I love fruit, so this is not gonna be a challenge for me at all, I don't think. I hope not. I think this is actually gonna be kind of fun. Fruit is so good, so I'm really excited. It's like 8 a.m. I just woke up. My mom just went to Costco last night, so I have a bunch of fruit and I just gotta cut it, and cutting fruit is like one of my favorite things to do. So I'm really excited to go downstairs and cut fruit. So I'm downstairs, and what I'm gonna start off with, all of this over here. Costco watermelon, the little baby ones, so good. I have a papaya here, which is kind of like a treat because I don't usually have papayas. I'm gonna cut this apple as a snack for later, and then I have this mango. I literally set so much stuff up. I also have some berries and some grapes that I'm gonna pack for later. Okay, so that was a lot. I actually eat this a lot for breakfast, but I'm just gonna make a fat fruit salad. I don't even know where to start. I kind of overwhelmed myself. I think I'm gonna wash some of my berries first so I can snack on it while I cut fruit. Isn't that an idea? I'm totally guilty of doing that. I'm that person. I'm that person. I eat half of my meal while I'm making my meal, so I kind of eat like a double meal. Cue the fruit washing cutting montage. Woo! The first one, because that's basically this entire video. Snackies for later. It's time. I get so excited to cut watermelon. Ugh, gosh dang. I just finished cutting that watermelon. I got some right here left over, and then I have some here. For my fruit salad, I probably ate half of it while cutting it because it's so good. So good. It's not even watermelon season, which sucks, but still tastes good thanks to Costco. Beautiful. Alright, so I just finished cutting up all my fruit. I got this fat bowl of fruit salad that looks so good. It smells so good.
Exactly when, but do 20 others. The U.S. government built me a car. I know we got this case to take them out.
Hello, I am now on the way to school, so I'm gonna grab my snack. Look how stocked we are with fruit. Of course. Running kind of late, but it's okay. Hi guys. Always wanted to do that. I don't know if it worked out, and I kind of don't want to shoot it again because I'm at school and people are watching me, but alrighty folks, it is now 12:30. I just got out of my math class. Kind of struggling, but you know, it's fine. I need to go to the library and freaking reteach myself some stuff. So, alright, so oh gosh, I'm still really full from my huge fruit bowl. So I was on my way to the library, and then I decided that a strawberry mango smoothie sounds freaking delicious right now. So I turned around, well, not turned around, but I'm making a little stop at home to make my smoothie, and then we'll get on the study grind. Hello. Okay, Russell. Hi, sweetie pie. Hi. Reusable straws. I'm gonna put in frozen mango, frozen strawberries, maybe some frozen peaches. And I like my smoothies real thick. Usually I'd put spinach or something green like kale, but not today, folks. Got us coconut milk. I'm good. My smoothie was a success, and now we're actually off to the library. Woo! Okay, so now we're actually off to the library. Hey, boo. Hey. Hey. You're so cute. Hey. All right. It's like 6 now. I usually eat dinner at like 9. We just walked my dog. Kind of dying right now. I'm gonna clean my room because it's stressing me out. I also have a lot of more homework to do because I wasn't super productive. Quick cleaning montage, and then I'll catch up with y'all in a little bit. I don't even know where to start. Oh God. Hey folks, so I just finished cleaning my room. As you can see, love that angle. It's now like 7. I'm gonna make an acai. Funny story, I used to call it an acai bowl, but I'm gonna make an acai bowl. Actually, it's not even an acai bowl. I don't like acai, whatever. I don't like those berries because story time, I almost died eating it. Also, I forgot to mention, this video is a collab with my girl, Ashley Wicka. I love her videos. She does a lot of these eating style videos. Videos are so good. Her editing's so good, and she's such a cutie. So go check out her channel. I'll have it linked down below. Love you, girl. I'm gonna go make my smoothie bowl. I'm excited for it. It's just gonna be a little mini one. I'm not super hungry. I'm gonna use some strawberries, some watermelon, bananas, blueberries. Alright, so I just made my little smoothie bowl. Ain't she cute? Let's taste test this baddie. A+. I made some for my dad. What do you think, Dad?
Tastes fine, thank you.
Probably really bad that I eat like all my meals on the couch. Now you guys all know. Oh well. Just finished my acai bowl, and now I'm cold, so I'm chilling here in my blankie. Hey, howdy folks. Hey guys, so it's like 9:30 now. I've just been doing some homework, not very interesting. Looking kind of rough right now. I figured I would just hop on here and wrap things up for the day. Okay, I know this is really bad, but I sleep like midnight, and I always have like a little snack before I sleep. Like, I know you're not supposed to eat like right before you go to bed, but I usually do. So I'm probably gonna make myself another like small bowl of fruit. I'll add a little clip or something in here. Peace out. I don't know if this is considered like a challenge or whatnot. I just figured it'd be fun to like vlog, you know, but it wasn't challenging at all. I think I do this a lot of days without even noticing because I eat a lot of fruit. This was actually kind of fun for me. Obviously I wouldn't, like I was researching diets and stuff, and people actually, they're called like fruitarians or something like that. They only eat fruit. That's their entire diet. Wouldn't really recommend that because obviously you need like protein and stuff. That's not ideal. Plus fruit has like a lot of sugar and other things that I don't know. Okay, I'm not a nutritionist. I mean, I took nutrition, but not recommending this. It was just kind of fun to do. It wasn't very hard at all, so you know, I'm feeling Gucci. It was a great day. But yeah, I want to go watch Jane the Virgin with my mom, so I'm just gonna wrap this up. If you guys want to see other videos of me eating only a certain thing for a day, it could be healthy, it could be unhealthy, it could be cookies, just saying, it could be like ice cream. That's it for today, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.